Some places were never meant to be seen. Not by explorers, not by scientists, only by satellites, watching from above. These are 15 discoveries that shouldn't exist, hidden in plain sight on Google Maps. Shapes, structures, wounds on the Earth. They're ordered from the least disturbing to the most shocking, each one stranger than the last. And the final discovery, the one at number 1, is the reason many people wish they had never looked at the map at all. Number 15. At first glance, it looks harmless. A normal street, a normal neighborhood, captured casually by a Google Street View camera. But then people notice the figure, standing unnaturally still, with proportions that don't look quite human, frozen in time as the camera passes. The image spread fast. Some called it an art installation, others believed it was a staged prank, and some weren't convinced at all, because this wasn't found on a forum or in a horror video. It was found by accident. Scrolling through Google Maps, many Street View anomalies have explanations, but this one still unsettles people who stumble upon it, because it feels like the map saw something it wasn't supposed to see. Number 14. On a quiet street in the Netherlands, Google Street View captured an image that terrified the internet. A body lying on the ground, a dark red stain spreading beside it, frozen in a single frame as the camera passed by. For days, people believed Google Maps had documented a real crime. Screenshots circulated. Police were contacted. The image became known as a view to a kill. Later, the truth emerged. It wasn't a corpse. It wasn't blood. The scene was part of an art project involving a mannequin and spilled paint. Nothing criminal had occurred, and yet, the unease remained, because for a brief moment, it looked like Google Maps had done the unthinkable, captured death by accident. Even explained, the image still feels wrong, like witnessing something you were never meant to see. Number 13. In the Nevada desert, not far from Area 51, Google Maps revealed something unsettling. A geometric symbol carved into the ground. Clean lines, sharp angles, too precise to be accidental. There are no signs explaining it, no official markers nearby. Because of its location, speculation exploded. Some believed it was linked to classified experiments. Others thought it was a navigation or calibration marker. Official explanations suggest it may be a military-related ground feature. Still, its isolation is what makes it disturbing. This symbol wasn't made to be seen from the ground. It was made to be seen from above. Without Google Maps, its existence would remain unknown. Number 12. In Tokyo Bay, Japan, Google Maps revealed something strange beneath the water. The outline of a sunken ship, clearly visible from above, its full shape exposed only by satellite imagery. From sea level, it's almost impossible to notice. But from the sky, the vessel's shadow cuts through the shallow water. There are no signs, no warnings, just a ship resting silently below the surface. Many who discovered it asked the same question. How could something this large go unnoticed? The answer is unsettlingly simple. It didn't. It was always there. It just took satellites to reveal it. Number 11. From high above the Indian Ocean, Google Maps revealed something impossible to ignore. 3 massive letters carved into the sand. SOS. Perfectly shaped, large enough to be seen from space. Located on a remote island near the Maldives, the image quickly went viral. Many believed it was a real distress signal, a silent call for help left by someone stranded or forgotten. No emergency alert was issued. No rescue operation followed. Later explanations suggested it may have been created intentionally. Still, the question remains, why leave an SOS in a place where only satellites would ever see it? A message written for the sky that humans were never supposed to read. Number 10. In the heart of the Sahara Desert, Google Maps reveals something that looks unreal. A massive circular structure, perfectly visible only from above. Concentric rings stretching for kilometers. It's known as the Rishat structure, or the Eye of the Sahara. From the ground, it appears unremarkable. But from space, it looks like a giant target etched into the Earth itself. For years, it confused scientists. Some believed it was an impact crater. NASA later confirmed it is a natural geological formation. Still, the scale is unsettling. Because this structure was never meant to be seen by human eyes at all, only satellites revealed its true form. Number 9. Deep in the Peruvian Amazon, something rises where nothing like it should exist. A perfect cone-shaped mountain, isolated from any mountain range, sharp, symmetrical, unnatural from above. It's known as Cerro El Cono. From the jungle floor, it looks like just another distant hill. But on Google Maps, its shape becomes disturbing. No nearby peaks, no geological pattern around it. Just one lone cone cutting through the rainforest. What makes it unsettling is that its true shape can only be understood from the sky. Without satellites, no one outside the jungle would even question its existence. Number 8. Across the world's coastlines, Google Maps and Google Earth have revealed something eerie. Shipwrecks. Some are half buried in sand. Others sit in shallow water, their outlines visible only from above. From the ground, you might see nothing, but satellite angles, clear tides, and sunlight expose the full shape, like a skeleton under glass. Many wrecks are documented, some are not. And seeing them this way feels wrong, because it's not how humans were meant to discover them. No story, no warning, just a silent vessel, still there. Number 7. In the remote Gobi Desert, China, Google Maps revealed something impossible to understand from the ground. Huge, white geometric patterns stretch for kilometers. Perfect grids, long straight lines, shapes too precise to be natural. No roads lead to them. No signs explain them. When these images surfaced, speculation exploded. Some claimed they were messages, others feared weapons testing. Later investigations pointed to a more grounded explanation: satellite calibration targets. They were never designed to be seen by people walking nearby. They were designed to be seen from space. Without Google Maps, these massive constructions would still be invisible to the public. Number 6. In the remote outback of South Australia, Google Maps reveals something almost impossible. A giant human figure carved into the desert, so massive that it can only be fully seen from the air. It's known as the Marree Man. The geoglyph stretches for kilometers. Its lines are deep, precise, and deliberate. It appeared suddenly in 1998. Despite investigations, its creator was never officially confirmed. No signature, no explanation, just a figure etched into the land, designed to be seen from the sky. Without Google Maps, this massive figure would remain largely unseen. Number 5. In the middle of the South Pacific Ocean, Google Maps once showed something that shouldn't have been there. An island, with a name, with clear coordinates. It was called Sandy Island. For years, it appeared on maps and digital charts. Ships avoided the area. Researchers accepted it as real. But when a scientific expedition finally reached the location, they found nothing. No land, no sand, just open ocean. The island had never existed. It was a long-standing mapping error. Only when satellite data and field verification were combined was Sandy Island finally erased from the map, a place that existed everywhere, except in the real world. Number 4. In one of the most remote places on Earth, Google Maps revealed an image that spread fast online. A dark, rectangular shape in the Antarctic ice, perfectly framed, resembling a doorway carved into the frozen surface. Social media exploded. Many claimed it was an entrance. Others believed it was evidence of something hidden beneath the ice. But scientists urged caution. According to experts, the formation is most likely a natural iceberg or ice fraction. From the ground, it would appear unremarkable, but from above, the geometry feels intentional. Antarctica remains largely unexplored. Most of it has never been seen by human eyes. So when Google Maps reveals shapes like this, the imagination fills the gaps. Number 3. On the outskirts of Sadr City, Iraq, Google Maps revealed something deeply unsettling. A lake stained deep red, visible clearly from satellite imagery. Too large, too intense to ignore. The image spread rapidly online. Many believed it was blood. Others feared chemical dumping or mass killings. Local officials later suggested pollution or algae, but no detailed public report fully explained the phenomenon at the time. What made it disturbing was not just the color, but how suddenly it appeared. From the ground, it blended into the surroundings. From above, it looked like a wound in the earth. And without satellites, no one outside the area would have ever seen it. Number 2. In northern Kazakhstan, Google Maps revealed a shape that shocked many people. A perfect pentagram, clearly visible from the sky. Too precise to be natural. The symbol sits near the town of Lysakovsk. From the ground, it's nearly impossible to recognize. But from above, the shape is unmistakable. Online, theories exploded. Occult rituals, secret sites. Later investigations revealed a far more mundane explanation. The pentagram is the remains of a Soviet-era park layout, designed decades ago when the symbol had no sinister meaning in that context. Still, the image unsettles many, because without Google Maps, no one would ever see the symbol as it truly is. A reminder that perspective can turn the ordinary into something deeply disturbing. Number 1. The image shows a small airplane stopped on a dirt clearing, surrounded by vegetation and simple structures nearby. Wrapped tightly around the aircraft's fuselage and wings is a large, snake-like form. The coils appear thick and heavy. They cross over the plane's body and extend beneath it. No people are visible in the frame. There is no motion captured. No signs of damage beyond the plane being immobilized. From the image alone, it is impossible to confirm scale, species, or authenticity. Some viewers interpret this as a giant snake restraining an aircraft. Others point out visual inconsistencies that could suggest digital manipulation. There is no verified report linked to this image. No aviation incident, no official record. What remains is only the photograph, a single frame, no context, no corroboration. And that is what makes it unsettling. Not because it proves anything, but because, without information, the image refuses to explain itself.